Hey, it's Katie with WTI, and the only thing that I love more than a sweet little bud vase filled with wildflowers is giving one to a friend. I just love to see their faces. QLOFEI makes it so easy to do because it comes in a pack of 20. So not only can I have as many vases of flowers around the house as I want, but I can also give them away to family and to friends. I did get the 20 pack in amber. There is so much detail in every single one of these vases. I love all of the texture, the different designs and patterns to make each one unique. I was not even able to pick out a favorite because there were just too many that I liked. They do come in different shapes and sizes as well, so you can kind of pair your flowers with the vase. These are excellent quality and they were shipped nice and secure. Each vase was laid out individually in a styrofoam form. There was no rattling, no chips. I was very happy with the shape that they were in when they were arrived. I think I might have even squealed when I opened up the package and saw how adorable these were. So if you love flowers all around your house, then you really need to check out these bud vases by QLOFEI. And that's my point of view.